How to clean and maintain your washing machine bag.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about something essential yet often overlooked: how to properly clean and maintain your washing machine bag. Regular care of this simple item can extend its lifespan and ensure the optimal performance of your washing machine.
Why clean your washing machine bag?
The washing machine bag, often called a laundry bag, is a protective bag that can help prevent your delicate garments from getting damaged during a wash cycle. But as it's doing its job, it can collect detergent residue, dirt, and other particles. This can lead to the bag not functioning as it should and could even affect the cleanliness of your clothes. Therefore, regular cleaning of the washing machine bag is necessary.
When to clean your washing machine bag?
It's recommended to clean your washing machine bag after every 5 to 7 uses, depending on how soiled your clothes are. If you wash heavily soiled items often, you may want to clean it more frequently.
Cleaning your washing machine bag.
Here are the steps to clean your washing machine bag. 1. Empty the bag. Before cleaning, make sure you remove all items from the bag. 2. Pre-rinse. Rinse the bag with warm water to get rid of any loose dirt or particles. 3. Soak. Fill a sink or basin with warm water and add a mild detergent. Submerge the bag in the solution and let it soak for about 30 minutes. 4. Scrub. Using a soft brush, gently scrub the bag to remove any stubborn stains or dirt. 5. Rinse. Rinse the bag thoroughly under warm water until all detergent is gone. 6. Dry. Hang the bag to dry. Avoid direct sunlight as it can fade the color and damage the material.
Maintaining your washing machine bag.
Maintaining your washing machine bag is just as important as cleaning it. Always check the bag for any signs of wear and tear before using it. Small tears can become larger during a wash cycle, potentially damaging your clothes or the washing machine. If you notice any damage, it's best to replace the bag. Also, try to avoid overfilling the bag, as this can stress the material and cause it to wear out faster. That's it, folks. You now know how to clean and maintain your washing machine bag. Remember, it's a simple task, but it can make a significant difference in the longevity of your bag and the cleanliness of your clothes. Keep up with regular care, and your washing machine bag will thank you. Happy washing!